We work very hard in personal injury cases here at the firm. We handle everywhere from automobile accidents, motorcycle wrecks, trucking accidents, slip and falls. All of those fall under the gamut of personal injury law. I've tried out, I couldn't tell you how many cases, and they are cases that are worth fighting and fighting hard for because people get hurt and they hurt for a long time and they have a lot of bills and they have pain and suffering, and the only way you can get compensated under our law is through money damages. That is what it's about. Getting your medical bills paid, getting you compensated for your pain and suffering, your lost work time, your permanent partial disability if you have a disability rating. All those things are important. North Carolina law is one of only 4 states that has the old contributory negligence standard. Most states are comparative. What does that mean? That means that if you are found contributing even 1% to your own injury, you can be barred. That means it's extremely important that you have an attorney who knows what he or she is doing, who has years of courtroom experience that can go in and fight that case for you if the insurance company denies liability. And even if they don't deny it, making sure that you get the maximum recovery that you deserve. At a minimum, you should receive your medical bills paid. You should get compensated for your permanent partial disability. Of course, your property damage, if it's a car accident, automobile accident, motorcycle, truck, whatever it might be. It is extremely important. And then, of course, the most subjective part of any claim is the pain and suffering. And we work hard to document those damages. Like I said, it's the most subjective. It's how did you feel? How many nights did you miss sleep? How much was the excruciating pain? How much did you go through physical therapy and all the things you had to do, and how long did you hurt? Documenting it with pain and suffering diaries, which we use. Documenting it with good recordation of medical records, making sure you have all of those. And photographs of the bruises, the cuts, abrasions, broken bones, broken teeth, all those awful things that happen. Making sure we document all that, and that we speak to the people who witnessed your pain and suffering, your spouse, your friends, your children, whoever it was that saw all this. All those things are important. That's the largest portion typically of any personal injury claim. You need a good lawyer who can advise you, who can help you, who can put your case together and fight for you all the way through trial. Plenty of people out there who can say they can do a lot of things, but very few that are able to actually go to trial. In fact, that is where most attorneys fall down on the job when it comes to personal injury law, because they've never been to court. A question you should ask any attorney that you interview. You can ask me and I'll be happy to give you a full bio of all the cases that I've tried out over the last 20 years here in New Hanover County and across the state, and I would be more than happy to help you. Lastly, please do not speak to anyone about your case, particularly an insurance adjuster from the other side. If they can get you to say anything that bars you, that they could construe as being contributorily negligent in your case, it can hurt you from the very, very beginning. We're always happy to talk to you over the phone, set up an appointment, speak with you. I am here to help you. All you have to do is contact me.